Hello guys. So as I have already told you about this phone and review and unboxing, let me show you the actual pictures. This one is shot by Pocophone, and this was the real shot, which is in the night. I just shot it an hour ago. See the quality of the picture. You can see every single desk. I will upload is with the video. See this, the color, the gradation, every single thing is perfect here. You won't believe the see this part here. 1 second, let me show you. Yes, see this, the breaks. Even I can read the voila and the phone number easily. It's very far. See, it's very far, but still I can read, and it's really clear. There is no noise in the picture. So this phone is really perfect for people who don't want to spend a lot of money. This phone is really incredible. I just shot these pictures today. See this landscape picture. You're really gonna love it. It's all in Abu Dhabi. See the color of the sky, the buildings, every single part is really good. It's really cool. Al Ibrahimi restaurant. It's now available in UAE market, but few of the retailers optionally they are available on souk.com. If you want to buy, go for souk.com, because other people, they may send you some what you call this one. I click on selfie and I can count my beard hair. It's really incredible. It's really incredible. And the sharpness here, it's really good. You're gonna love it. 1 second, this picture was not so good. My face was not good, but here the hairs, you can see, you can count it. It's really cool. Go for it. Don't think about any other things. It's really cool. And I didn't charge this phone since yesterday. When I buy that, I didn't charge from that time, and I took a lot of picture. I did review, I did a lot of things with it. But see the percentage of the battery, it's still 61%. If you don't believe, I will show it to you. And I think from cleaner, or maybe from the security system, battery, there may be some other option. Where it is, battery and usage, yes. Still it's showing 19 hour. It will go 19 hour. I charged that last time when I showed the first review of this. But this phone is incredible. It's really cool. It's like I'm just picking up this phone, and there's one, what you call this thing, transparent cover. You will get it from, if you order from souk.com, you will get it free. I think it's in the box. It was in the box. So my simple answer is, go for it. Go Poco, master of speed.